Downtime doesn't feel like a small issue when it hits. It stops everything. In industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, even a brief outage can halt operations and create real risk. And with a cyber attack happening every 39 seconds, these disruptions are becoming more common. As Dan Nediborsky says, if your IT stops, your business stops. Every hour systems are down is a dent in your reputation and bottom line. In Hamilton, this shows up daily. On the manufacturing floor, outages delay production and drive up costs. In healthcare, they slow down care and increase compliance pressure. In logistics, one system failure can disrupt entire shipments within minutes. At the same time, expectations are rising. Manufacturing is moving towards self-managing systems. Healthcare demands both speed and strict compliance. Logistics teams need constant uptime, and professional services must secure data across hybrid work environments. The need for resilience is clear. Businesses are responding with proactive IT strategies, 24/7 support, network redundancy, real-time monitoring, and better staff awareness. These aren't extras anymore. They're essential to keeping operations stable and secure. When done right, the results are immediate. Less downtime, faster recovery, stronger trust across teams and clients. If these challenges sound familiar, there's more to explore. You can read the full article on the website to see how Hamilton businesses are strengthening their IT and keeping operations on track. And don't forget to add this to your playlist.